I think this is like an ancestral home. A whole lot of Chinese people in here playing mahjong. There's Hamilton. Say hello. Now, what is that? Are those names? Maybe? That is an incense burner. Incense. There's nothing in there. Oh, there's some incense. A few. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Look at that. Okay, and this is the temple part. Ooh, look at that drum. That's a cool drum. Here, do it again. Ooh, look at the head for the dragon dance and the lion dance. That's a boxing glove. Look at this. Look at his head. Don't touch it.
Where is say don't touch it?
No, James said we're not allowed to touch it. Ooh, look at these.
These
Wow.
touches?
Look at these weapons.
This can touch it.
Huh?
This can touch it.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah. That's cool.
That is cool.